6035 for the 2021 Hit Parade Football Limited Edition card box. Want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Saturday, February 26, 2022. It's 10:25 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:25 p.m. Central Time, and 7:25 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Big, Patriot, and Scott with one each. EW 3, Do Stop 2, Triple B Sack 1, John Head 3, Vacay 1, Detour 2, Poker, Tejo, Hooper, Flog, Niche So 1 each, Will 3, Black T 1, DA 2, Niche No with 6 teams. Let's randomize everyone 7 times to determine our team or teams for the break. Once, twice. 3 times 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Will on top, Big on the bottom. Will has the Cardinals, John Head with the Falcons, Will Ravens, Detour Bills, Black T Panthers, EW Bears, Triple B Sack Bengals, EW Browns, Niche No Cowboys, Hooper Broncos, Vacay Lions, Patriot Packers, John Head Texans, Niche No Colts, Niche So with the Jaguars, Tejo Chiefs, Poker Raiders, Niche No Chargers, EW Rams, John Head Dolphins, Scott Vikings, DA Patriots, Niche No Saints, Giants, DA Jets, Do Stop Eagles, Detour Steelers, Flog with the 49ers, Do Stop Seahawks, Niche No Buccaneers, Will Titans, and last but not least, Big with Washington. All sealed up, and whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. And we have a Hallmarks LT Lawrence Taylor 16 out of 25. Nice auto there for the New York Giants. Lawrence Taylor out of 25. Who has the New York Giants? Niche No 283. Congrats on break 6035 for the 2021 Hit Parade Football Limited Edition card box. Want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. Hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot in the 2022 Gold Rush Multi-Sport Value Pack. And up next is the Platinum Football Limited Edition. That's break 6043. Thanks.